Sir Paul, happy birthday! Congratulations on your big number. 70. It's a big number, but it's still a good number. You're still rocking after all these years, and I'm glad you are. I had the privilege of seeing you twice just this year. One was in February 9th, I believe, on the Hollywood Walk of Fame when you finally had your star induction, which was really cool. I got there early, and I was able to get a good view and good pictures. The second time was actually last month. I was up in Mexico for some vacation. I heard you were going to be up there playing. I wasn't able to make the first one, which I believe was the 8th. Yeah, it was the 8th. I was able to make it to the one on 10th, May 10th, so I was able to be there. I had to be there really early. Wasn't too happy about waking up early, but I was happy enough to be there for about 4 in the morning. Excellent show. Got some nice clips of that too. So I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. I'm so glad you're still doing what you do, and I have so much fun every time there's something on the Beatles. I know my family here does. There's something on the Beatles, and try to watch as much as I can without being abnormal. But still, I'm good. So happy birthday. Wish you the best. Enjoy your day.